Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. Residents of Top Hill and Junction, St. Elizabeth, are in shock after the partially decomposed body of a popular pastor was found at his home on Sunday, with multiple chop wounds. The murdered church leader has been identified as 40-year-old Patrick Brown, who was pastor of the Exton New Testament Church of God, also in Junction. He was last seen alive in the community last Wednesday. After not seeing Brown since Wednesday, residents became suspicious when they noticed that his Toyota Axio motor car, which was normally parked in his yard, was missing. Calls to his phone also went unanswered. When he did not show up at church on Sunday morning, a member of the congregation visited Brown's house and reportedly saw swarms of flies coming from a window. There was also an odor. She raised an alarm and the police were summoned. The body was removed and taken to the morgue, where a post-mortem is slated to be done. Kind, humble. Brown was an integral part of community life, residents said, describing the late cleric as kind and humble. I last saw him on Wednesday afternoon after he left the shop and said he was going to his house, which is within walking distance, said the resident, who declined to be named. Brown, who is originally from Cave Valley, St. Anne, moved to Top Hill in 2018 when he became pastor at the Exton New Testament Church in Junction. Preliminary investigations indicate that robbery might have been the motive for the murder, as Brown's vehicle was stolen. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment, and if it's your first time here, please like and share and subscribe, and also remember to hit that notification bell and select all, so we can keep you abreast of all happening. Have a great day.